YouTube. We're out here, put some corn out. One of my hunting stands. Just gonna take y'all with me today, and we got a pretty good little walk in here. Yeah, I say it's pretty good. It ain't that bad. I didn't bring no side by side today. Just drove my truck and stuff, and I don't take it down here. Looks like some deer didn't come through after the rain. We had some pretty good rain these last 24, 36 hours. Which we needed it to straighten out over here. Things like that. But I'm just gonna walk in here, put some corn out, and might see some wildlife. I don't know. If we do, I got an old smoke pole, and I'm gonna let the wind out of it, which is not exactly legal right now, but it's not exactly illegal either, as it is a muzzle loader. I just happen to be toting a breech loader, the way I see it. Just put the bullets in from a different way, you know. But it had to be a sure enough swamp donkey for me to do anything illegal like that. I'm not that type. Well, you can see when me and Danny were planting this food plot here, the damn spreader done come open as we were driving back in here. We got a nice, pretty little path there. We get to this creek right here. Kind of like this creek. This is one of the creeks that runs down my stand, near my stand. Yeah, but he's on cross here. I'm just gonna walk on back in here. Yeah, it's pretty uneventful. I probably won't nobody watch the video, nobody's been. That's okay. See, I'll show y'all around a little bit. Go around down there. Got another stand down there. Go up that way yonder by some big tall pines. That's where Cousin Millard. So I'm gonna go down this road here. So probably ain't gonna do much talking right now. Small 6-point in here I've been seeing. He's not a shooter. I wouldn't shoot it. Probably wouldn't let my kids shoot it either. But he's been walking this road, it seems. Why are we coming up on the field? Ain't nothing in there. Alright, well, let's go on back in here. There's one stand right there. I don't want that one too much. It's not that good. Got a little water in this range now. I'd say we had around 2 inches of rain in the last 24, 36 hours. Oh shit. Hard to get up this hill with no hands. Alright, friends. Wait here. We're gonna put some corn out and get out of here. Y'all have a good one now.